Hi, hello, welcome back to Home School. Your Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board have conducted SSLC State Level Preparatory Examination, and today we are going to discuss this key subject Mathematics, subject code 81E. Total time allotted for this paper 3 hours 15 minutes, maximum marks 80 marks. And if you look over this paper is conducted on 2nd of March 2023. First page, you can see general instructions. First main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. In this main, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. So let's see the first one. If 10, x, 18 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x is, see, there are 3 terms, they are in arithmetic progression, means let me write A1, A2, A3. If they are in arithmetic progression, their common difference will be constant. That means A2 minus A1 must be equal to A3 minus A2. X minus 10. Substitute the values. A3 18 minus x. Minus x transpose other side. X plus x is equal to 18 minus 10 if you send other side plus 10. 2x is equal to 28. Transpose to other side 28 by 2, that is 14. So what is your x value here? 14. Search for the option. It is option C, 14. Second one. The highest common factor HCF of 3 and 5. 3 and 5, there is no other common factors other than 1. So 1 is only the HCF. So answer is A, 1. Third one, the discriminant of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. And for this, what is the discriminant? We know discriminant is represented by capital D. Its value is b square minus 4ac. Search for this answer here in this. Option B. Option B, b square minus 4ac. Fourth one, the value of sin 90 degree minus theta by cos theta is sin 90 degree minus theta by cos theta. We know sin 90 minus theta, complementary angle, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta, it will be 1. Search for the option. Option B, 1. Fifth one. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Midpoint of the line segment. That means the coordinates given here P4, 7 and Q10, 3. We need to find the midpoint, right? So these coordinates, let us mark x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. What is the midpoint? Midpoint of this PQ? Formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute the values. 10 plus 4 by 2, 7 plus 3 by 2. 10 plus 4, it is 14. 14 by 2, 7 plus 3, it is 10. 10 by 2. If you cancel 7 and here it is 5. So what is the answer? 7, 5. Search for this coordinate. Yes, it is your option D, 7, 5. Sixth one, the equation of the line which is parallel to the line represented by the equation 4x minus 8y is equal to 11 is the equation of the line which is parallel to the given equation. The equation of the line is parallel given. So for this equation, which of the options equation becomes parallel? So if it is parallel, you must remember a ratio. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So compare the ratios A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So equal to that. So let me bring this side all the equations. Yes, equal to 22 there. Let me bring this side, and here also when you have a plus, if it goes other side, that means transposing other side, it becomes negative. Right? Now compare A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. 4 ones, 8 twos. So 1 is not equal to 1 by 2. So this option is wrong. So let me go to the next one. 4 by 2, and here minus 8 by 4, minus 11 by minus 6. 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4. Again it is not equal to. Why? Only plus 2, and here it is minus 2. Plus 2 is not equal to minus 2. Coming to third option, 4 by 8, minus 8 by minus 16, minus 11 by minus 21. 4 twos are 8 twos are minus minus cancel, and here negatives cancel. Observe here A1 by A2. What you got? 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 11 by 21. So your correct answer is option C. This equation is parallel to this equation. So let me go with the option C. 8x minus 16y is equal to 21. Right? Seventh one. In the figure, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Let's take the figure, and you can see the figure over there. Just one more. A, B, C. Another triangle P, Q, R. N. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Then the correct relation among the following is. So here you can see the four options. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square by QR square. Yes, I think it is right. By which theorem? By area's theorem. If the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides are equal. So here BC is the side of this triangle and QR is the side of a PQR triangle. Let's check other options. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PN square. No. If you have here PQ square, then we can go with it. But here you have PN square. So that option is wrong. Coming to third, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square by QN square. BC square full side, QN is just some part of a side. So this is also wrong. Coming to your last option, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to QR square by BC square. Wrong. Why it is wrong? Numerator, you should be having this triangle base, not this triangle. So this option is wrong. So I go with the option A. Option A, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square by QR square. Eighth one, the curved surface area of a solid hemisphere of radius r units is. What is CSA of a hemisphere? CSA of a hemisphere, what is the formula? It is 2 pi r square units. Check for the option. Yes, it is option D. Option D, 2 pi r square units. With this, I complete your first main. Second main, answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. Ninth one, state whether the rational number 35 by 50 has a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. How can you find this? Just look over here. I can cancel this. 5 7s are 35, 5 10s are. And your fraction is 7 by 10. Observe the denominator. Denominator, if you are able to express in the form of 2 and 5, that is 10, I can write it as 2 into 5. If your denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then I can say this is a terminating decimal expansion. Yes, your denominator is in 2 power m into 5 power n. So what I can say here? 35 by 50 is a terminating decimal expansion. You can complete that word. 10th one. The graph of y is equal to p of x is given below. You can see the graph over there. Write the number of zeros of p of x. Write the number of zeros. So observe in graph how many points on x-axis this curve touches. You can see there 1, 2, 3. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. Write that. 3 zeros. Right? 11th one. A ladder is placed against a wall. A ladder. Observe here. Just imagine the ladder here. A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot at a distance of 2.5 meters from the wall. This is ladder and this is wall. And it is inclined at an angle 60 degree with the ground. Find the length of the ladder. So we need to find length of this. Right? Most of the children will be confusing and they will find what is height of the wall. So don't do like that. So let me mark this A, B, C. Wall will be perpendicular. Observe here. I need hypotenuse and I know adjacent. So we go with cos ratio. Cos 60 degree is equal to cos ratio adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. BC 2.5 by AC. Cross multiply. AC is equal to 2.5 into 2. That is 5.0. That is none other than 5 meters. So let me write only answers here in short. Easily you can identify your answers. Length of ladder is equal to 5 meters. 12th one, write the formula to find the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So as usual, same coordinates you have. Write the original formula. Area of triangle is equal to, easy technique I'll say children, just observe here, half into x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. You write down first. Then start writing 1, 2, 3. Then remove first number and throw other side. That means 2, 3, 1. Then again remove this number and write that side. 3, 1, 2. That's it. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. If you remember formula directly, you can write off. Suppose if you forget this technique, you can use. Otherwise, area of triangle is equal to half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. 13th question. For any event E, if P of E is equal to 0.7, then what is P of E bar? Or then find P of E bar. We know, what do we know? Probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1. Substitute this and transpose this other side. P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. P of E value is 0.7. In 1, if you subtract 0.7, you are going to get 0.3. That's it. Probability of not an event is 0.3. 14th one. If tan theta is equal to 1. If tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1, then find the value of secant square theta. Secant square theta you need. By the way, what is the theta value? Observe here. Tan theta is equal to 1. In tan ratio table, where do you get 1? We get tan 45 value is 1. So directly you can say theta value is 45. Theta value is 45 degree. Substitute that theta value here. Secant square 45 degree is, what is secant 45? It is root 2. 2 whole square, root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. Your answer is 2. So secant square or sec square, you can say sec square theta is equal to 2. 15th one. In the figure, AB is a tangent to a circle with center O. AB is a tangent to the circle with center O. P is the point of contact if angle OAP is equal to 50 degree. Then find angle AOP. We need to find this one. By theorem, I remember something. If AB is a tangent, then P is a point of contact. Always the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Perpendicular in the sense this is 90 degree. 90 plus 50, it will be 140 degree. Total sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So in 180, if you subtract 140 degree, it will be 40 degree. Therefore, your answer is angle AOP is equal to 40 degree. Last question. Write the formula to find the total surface area of a cylinder of radius R and height H. What is total surface area of a cylinder? TSA of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h square units. Children, most of you will do a minor mistake. You forget writing LHS side. Please write total surface area of a cylinder equal to, write the formula along with the units. Okay. With this, we are going to complete our second main. Third main, answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 2 marks. 8 2s are 16 marks. 17th one, prove that 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. 3 plus root 2 is already irrational. We need to prove. How can we prove this? First, write a statement. Let us assume 3 plus root 2 is a rational number. I am not writing full statements detailed, children. I will do the problem in short. So, let us assume 3 plus root 2 as a rational number. If it is rational, I can equate to P by Q form, right? and you can write the statement here. P and Q are the co-prime integers where Q is not equal to 0. And observe here, other than root 2, transpose other numbers other side. Root 2 is equal to P by Q minus 3. Do LCM. P minus 3Q by Q. Observe, P minus 3Q by Q is a rational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Irrational number cannot be equated to rational number. Write these all statements. Therefore, my assumption is wrong. Finally, I can say that 3 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Hence, it is proved. So, what we need to prove? We need to prove it as a irrational number. For that, we need to assume it as a rational, equate to P by Q, rearrange, and finally our assumption is wrong, and those all you say. And then finally 3 plus root 2 is a irrational number. In short, I will write here root 2 is equal to P minus 3Q by Q. If this is there or not, check in your paper when you solve full question paper. Coming to your another OR choice in this OR question. What is that? The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 3. That means HCF is 3, LCM is 60. If one of the number, let me take it as A, is 12, then the other number is B. We know, what do we know here? HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers A into B. HCF 3, LCM 60, and this A transpose other side, it will be divided by 12 is equal to B. 12 5s are 60. So 5 into 3, 15. Therefore, what is the other number here? 15. Another number or choice, this one, right? Or B value is 15. Let's see the 18th question. Solve the given pair of linear equations. Solve said if they specify any method, you go with that method, children. Otherwise, you can go with your own choice. So, given mark it 1, 2, directly I am doing. Which method shall we go? Let's go with elimination method. Minus y plus y already there. So, directly I'll add the two equations. Cancel. 2x plus x will be 3x. 4 plus 11 will be 15. Transpose 3 other side. X is equal to 15 by 3. That is 3 5s are 15. This x value substitute in any one of the equation. 5 plus y is equal to 11. I am substituting in second equation. 5 plus y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11 minus 5, that will be 6. Finally, what is your x value? X value is 5 and y value is 6. 19th question. If the lines represented by the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 and ax plus by minus 16 equal to 0 are coincident, then find the values of a and b. If the two equations are coincident, what is the ratio you remember? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Equate these, children. 2 by a is equal to 3 by b is equal to minus 8 by minus 16. Minus cancel, 8 2s are, right? Now, you don't know here a and you don't know here b, but all the three ratios will be equal. So, compare these two and find a, compare these two and find b. 2 by a is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply, a is equal to 4 and compare these two ratios. 3 by b is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply, b is equal to 6. Therefore, what's your answer? A value is 4 and B value is 6. 20th one, find the 26th term of arithmetic progression. 26th term means A26 we are going to calculate. Given arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 so on using formula. Given arithmetic progression, let me mark it as A1, A2, A3. First find A. A is nothing but A1 is equal to 3 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Which term we are going to find? 26th term. We know the formula. What is that? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A26 is equal to A value is 3 and n value is 26 minus 1 and the D value is 4. 3 plus 26 minus 1, 25. 25 into 4. 25 4s are 100. 100 plus 3, 103. 26th term is 103. A26 is equal to 103. 21st problem. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. First, anyhow we are going to write comparing the given quadratic equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare and write a value, b value, c value. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2. Quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now we are going to substitute all in this. X value is x itself. X also you need to write minus of minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2 whole divided by 2 into 3, that is x is equal to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 whole square, minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 by 6. This is 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24 is 1. Square root of 1 by 6. Children, don't leave your answer by writing root 1 as it is. Root 1 value is 1. And now x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 or x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 6. X is equal to 5 plus 1 6 by 6 or x is equal to 5 minus 1 4 by 6. That is 1 and here it is 2 by 3. Therefore, what are the roots of the quadratic equation here? The roots of the quadratic equation are 1 and 2 by 3. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 by 3. And you have one more odd choice in this. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by the method of completing the square method. Yes, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is an odd choice, right? Which method we are going to solve that? Completing square method. So for completing square method, you all know the steps, I think. Yes. What are the steps? First, observe x square quotient. Is it 1? Yes, it is 1. Then observe x coefficient. What is that? 5. Only the number you say, don't say with sign. 5. Multiply half for it. 5 by 2. And do whole square. Just you need this term. If your x square quotient is 1, see the x coefficient 5. For that multiply half whole square. That is 5 by 2 whole square. What we are going to do here? Add and subtract. Add and subtract 5 by 2 whole square. Add and subtract 5 by 2 whole square. Now what happens? These three terms make a formula. Which formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. That is a minus b whole square. Remaining terms send other side. 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square there. If it transpose other side, plus 5 by 2 whole square. And this is minus 6. X minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 by 2 2s are 4 minus 6. Do LCM. 4 6s are 24 by 4. That is 1 by 4. Drag this as it is. X minus 5 by 2 whole square. X minus 5 by 2 whole square, transpose other side, it will be square root, plus or minus square root of 1 by 4. And now it will be x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. Minus 5 by 2 transpose 5 by 2 plus or minus 1 by 2. Do LCM. X is equal to 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. X is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1 it will be 6 by 2 or x is equal to 5 minus 1 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation by completing square method are 3 and 2. Or choice, you will be having x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. Right? Coming to your 22nd problem. In the given figure, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Find the value of the following. You can see the figure over there. And again, let me do the right triangle here. Right? 4, 5, A, B, C, and this acute angle is given by alpha and this is beta. Sin alpha. Observe here, we are going to consider the acute angle, this one. Sin ratio opposite by hypotenuse. That is, sin alpha is equal to opposite AB by hypotenuse AC. What is AB? 4. AC 5, right? And now coming to tan beta, second sub question, tan beta is equal to, acute angle is here, tan beta, tan ratio is opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AB, opposite adjacent, that will be 3 by 4. Therefore, your answers are, first one, sin alpha is equal to 4 by 5, comma. Second one, tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. 23rd problem. A box contains 20 cards. Let's imagine a box, children. 1, 2, like this. You will be having 20 cards in a box, which are numbered from 1 to 20. If one card is drawn at a random from the box, then find the probability of getting a perfect cube number. Write the statement first. A box contains 20 cards and these cards are numbered from 1 to 20. So what are these cards? These are nothing but the sample spaces. 1, 2, 3, so on up to 20 you can write, right? How many sample spaces are there? 20. Number of sample spaces n of s is equal to 20. And yeah, event question, probability of getting a perfect cube number. Event, let the event, I'll consider it as A. And what are the events in it, children? Perfect cube number. From 1 to 20, what are all the perfect cube numbers? That is 1. 1 ones are 1 ones are 1. 3 times if you multiply, you are going to get 1. And another cube number, can you say? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes, don't say 2 children, 8 you have to say. And see the another cube number, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 is greater than 20. So the perfect cubes in the given box are only 2. What are those? 1 and 8. Number of events is equal to 2. Probability of occurring this event P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. That is 2 by 20. Cancel. That is equal to 1 by 10 is your answer. Probability of occurring a perfect cube number is 1 by 10. 24th, construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 3 centimeters which are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. This is a construction. Just I'll show roughly. Observe a point in this, children. The tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. What is the circle radius here? Circle radius is 3 centimeters. And read the question carefully. Construct a pair of tangents which are inclined at an angle 60 degree. That means tangent's inclination angle 60. Then what will be the angle at center? The angle at center, it will be 180 minus 60. It will be 120 degree, right? So do 120 degrees here. Just I am showing you roughly, right? Second arc you join. This is nothing but 120 degree. Then again, normally how do you do the tangents, children? A semicircle, and then from here above one arc and on semicircle one arc, and from here cut this arc from this point and radius ending point. Just take a scale and try to join these two, and this is nothing but the tangent. And from this radius another tangent, same manner do semicircle, arc on it and another arc on it. So from here cut the arc, mark this point. Just from here you just do properly. So I am doing just rough, and then extend this. This will be automatically 60 degree. Okay, so it doesn't touch us here, children, it just touches here. This is a rough figure, try to understand. Okay, so finally mark this as O and this as A, B, C, any letter of your choice. A, B and AC are the required tangents. You need to end up the construction. First write the given data, radius, do the construction, end up the data with AB and AC are the required tangents. With this we are going to complete this third main. Fourth main, answer the following questions. In this you will be having 9 questions, each carries 3 marks. So it will be 9 3s are 27 marks. 25th question. 25th problem, a student prepares a model of atomic structure that consists of 4 concentric circular rings. The length of circumferences of these rings are in arithmetic progression. Observe here, the length of these rings, that means circumferences, are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression set. So let me take this as first term, second term, third term, fourth term. See the question here. The sum of the circumferences of the first 3 rings is 66 centimeters. That means sum of the 3 terms, let me mark A1 plus A2 plus A3. Sum of the first 3 rings. A1 circumference of the first ring, A2 circumference of the second ring, A3 circumference of the third ring. Sum is how much? 66 centimeter. And the circumference of the fourth ring, that is A4, is equal to 44 centimeter. Find the circumference of the third ring. So what we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate A3 is equal to question mark. Right? So please write these all problems in statement wise. Okay, I am doing in short. So a1, a2, a3 is equal to 66. Write in general form. A plus a2 can be written as a plus d. a3 can be written as a plus 2d is equal to 66. A and 3a plus d plus 2d is 3d is equal to 66. Take out 3 common. A plus d is equal to 66. 3 transpose other side. A plus d is equal to, directly you can cancel 3 ones, 3 22s. Right, a plus d is equal to 22. Mark it first equation. And they have given fourth ring circumference, that is a plus 3d is equal to 44. Second equation, right? Now simplify these two equations. So let me subtract the two equations. A minus a cancel. D minus 3d is minus 2d. 22 minus 44 is minus 22. Minus minus cancel. 2 11s. Therefore, what is the common difference here? D value is 11. We got D. Now we need to find A. Substitute this D value in any one of the equation. Let me substitute in first equation. That is a plus 11 is equal to 22. 11 transpose other side. A is equal to 22 minus 11. A is equal to 11. A 11, D 11 we got. We need to find third term. General form of third term. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Substitute A and D value. 11 plus 2 into 11. 11 plus 2 11s are 22. 22 plus 11 is 33. So here most of the children will be confusing for this problem. Where they have given here circumference of a ring. Circumference, immediately you go on writing 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 plus 2 pi r3 is equal to 66. Then 2 pi r2 is equal, r3 is equal to 44. Like this you will be confused. In this problem we don't need of applying 2 pi r formula. Just they have given the circumferences are in the AP. Right? So directly you can write A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, is this clear? So finally what I can say, circumference of the third ring is A3 is 33 centimeter. Don't forget writing centimeter, children, here. You have one more or question for this. The sum of the first 4 terms of an arithmetic progression is 38. And the sum of the first 7 terms is 98. Okay, what is given here, children? The sum of first 4 terms is 38 and sum of 7 terms is 7, that is 98. Find the first term and common difference. S4 and S7 given, find A and D. So we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute that. S4 is equal to 4 by 2 into 2a plus n value is 4. 4 minus 1, 3 d is equal to 38. 2 2s are 4. And this 2 again send here and cancel. 2 1s, 2 19s. That is 2a plus 3d is equal to 19. Mark it first equation. Similarly, you do S7. S7 is equal to n by 2, 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. N value is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6d is equal to 98. In these two terms, you can take out 2 common. 7 by 2 into 2 take out common. A plus 3d is equal to 98. 2 cancel and this 7 send other side. A plus 3d is equal to 98 by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 4s are 28. A plus 3d is equal to 14. Mark it second equation. Now solve these two equations. By elimination method I'll solve. 2a plus 3d is equal to 19. A plus 3d is equal to 14. Right? So both are same sign. So let me subtract the two equations. Change sign. 3d minus 3d cancel. 2a minus a is a. 19 minus 14 is 5. Now this a value substitute in any one of the equation. A plus 3d is equal to 14. A value 5 plus 3d is equal to 14. 5 transpose other side. 14 minus 5, that will be 9. And d is equal to 9 by 3, that is 3. So what is your question, children? Find a and d. First term a is equal to 5 and the common difference d is equal to 3. 26th question. Divide p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 5 by g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1, and find the quotient q of x and remainder r of x. So let us start dividing this. First, before dividing the polynomial, check whether the order is correct or not. Observe the order. 3, 2, 1, 0. 2, 1, 0. Yes. And now start dividing. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 5. And this one is divided by g of x, x square minus x plus 1. How we are going to divide? X cube by x square. First, divide first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. X cube by x square, it will be only x. Write it here and multiply. X into x square, x cube, minus into plus, minus, x into x, x square, plus into plus, plus x into 1, x. Right? And now subtract and change signs. X cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 3x square plus x square will be minus 2x square. 3x minus x will be plus 2x. Okay? And bring this minus 5 down. And now this first term and this first term divide, children. Minus 2x square by x square, it will be minus 2. Right here. Minus 2 again multiply. Minus 2x square. Minus into minus plus. X into 2, it will be 2x. Plus into minus. Minus 2 ones are 2. Now again subtract the equations and change sign. Cancel. This will be cancelled. Minus 5 plus 2 will be minus 3. So finally, what is your quotient, children? Quotient q of x is equal to x minus 2 and remainder r of x is equal to minus 3. Okay. In this, we have one more OR choice. That is 26th one. Let me write here. Q of x is equal to x minus 2 and r of x is equal to 3 minus 3. In this, we have one more OR question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So, you can see a polynomial, and what we are going to find here? Find the zeros of the given polynomial. After getting zeros, find the relationship between the zeros and their coefficients. Rewrite the polynomial again. X square minus 2x minus 8. By factorization method, we are going to find the zeros of the polynomial. 1 into minus 8, minus 8. So what are the factors for minus 8 in order to get minus 2? 4 2s are 8. Here minus 4 plus 2, you are going to get minus 2. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. In these two, x is common. Take out x common. X minus 4 and in these 2, 2 is common, x minus 2 4s are 8, so 4, and again in these 2 x minus 4 is common, and you are left with x plus 2. In order to get zeros, equate these two with 0. X minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4 or x is equal to minus 2. Now these two zeros I am going to give a letter. Alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to minus 2. The two zeros of the polynomial alpha is equal to 4, beta is equal to minus 2. And next sub question in it, what is that? Verify the relation. So how can we verify this? Take the polynomial again, x square minus 2x minus 8. By using the standard form of the polynomial, compare the given polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Compare, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8. Now, sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of the zeros, alpha beta is equal to c by a. Substitute alpha, beta, a, b, c values here. Alpha value 4, beta value is minus 2. B value is minus 2 by a value is 1. Plus into minus minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 2 by 1 is 2. 4 minus 2, 2 is equal to 2. Sum of the zeros is satisfied here. And again alpha beta product of the zeros 4 into minus 2. And here c value is minus 8. A value is 1. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8. And here minus 8 by 1 is minus 8. Therefore, the relation between the zeros and the coefficients are verified. 27. Find the coordinate of the point P on x-axis which is equidistant from the points A 2, minus 5 and B minus 2, 9. See here in this problem most of the children will be confusing. Where there is a confusion here, there is equidistant set but they did not give you midpoint. Don't go with midpoint formula. Equidistance, that means a coordinate on x-axis. A coordinate on x-axis, what will be the coordinate? X, 0, right? And another coordinate 2, minus 5. Another coordinate minus 2, 9. This is B and this is A. Let me make a point on x-axis, so Px, 0. Given here, this coordinate is equidistant. That means the distance, AP distance is equal to PB distance, right? Try to understand the question carefully, and it is anyhow directly from textbook. AP, by using distance formula, right here, AP distance. Here when you consider AP, this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Directly apply the formula. What is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So directly x2 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is negative, so put it in bracket, whole square is equal to, now PB, take this one x2 y2 as it is you can take, or you can rewrite x1 y1 x2 y2 also. X1 y1 I am taking here. Now this side equal to square root of x2 minus x1 x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 0 minus 9 whole square. Now this square root and this square root will be cancelled, right? Now what you are going to get? X minus 2 whole square plus minus into minus plus 0 plus 5 will be 5 whole square is equal to, and here minus into minus plus, x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 is minus 9, minus 9 whole square, right? Next step. This you can remember a formula, a minus b whole square, and here a plus b whole square. Substitute a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square plus 5 5s are 25 is equal to a plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square plus minus into minus plus 9 9s are 81. X square will be cancelled, and here minus 4x, 2 2s are 4, right? Plus 4 plus 25 is equal to 2 2s are 4x plus 4 plus 81. If you want, you can cancel 4 also. And now bring this 4x this side, minus 4x minus 4x. Take this 25 other side, 81 minus 25. Minus 4x will be minus 8x is equal to 81 minus 25, it will be 56. And minus 8 send other side, 56 by minus 8, x is equal to minus 7, right? Is your answer complete? No. The point on x-axis or the coordinate on x-axis means, what is the coordinate, children? X comma 0, that is minus 7 comma 0 is the coordinate on x-axis, which is equidistant from A and B, right? So your answer is minus 7 comma 0. If you want x value as minus 7, you can write. In this we have one more or question. Find the coordinates of the point P on AB, which divides the line joining the points A minus 2 comma minus 2 and B 5 comma 12. So let me draw a line. The coordinates of the point P on AB, somewhere there is a point on this line P and it is divided in the ratio 3:4, right? What is this line division coordinate? Directly we remember section formula. Yes? So let me mark this one first, x1, y1, x2, y2, m1, m2. Section formula, p of x comma y is equal to, easy to write children this formula, m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2. Write like this, you won't be confused. Very easy to write. First write m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2 two times. Now this set belongs to x. Here 1 you have, write x2. Here 2 there, write x1, and here same manner, this is y, y2, y1, right? Now m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now substitute the values in this. m1 value is 3 into, same manner, this also, this step also, directly you go on writing, otherwise you will be confused. See how I have done. M1 M2 I know, 3:4 ratio, 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 4 I have written directly. Now what is x2? 5, x1 minus 2, y2 12, y1 minus 2. Now multiply, 5 3s are 15, plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8, 3 plus 4 7, comma 3 12s are 36, minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 plus 4 7. 15 minus 8 it will be 7, 7 by 7. And here 36 minus 8, it will be 28 by 7. Cancel 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. That is 1 comma 4 is the point of division of the line segment, right? So, or question, what is your answer? 1 comma 4. 28th problem. Find arithmetic mean for the following group data. You can see the table over there. Class interval and frequency given. 0 to 2, 2, 2 to 4, 6, 4 to 6, 8, 6 to 8, 3, 8 to 10, 1. We are going to find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is represented by x bar. See children, mean you can do by 3 methods. So if they specify any method, you go with that. Otherwise, your choice method you can do. Now I am going to find the mean by direct method. So direct method, what is the formula? Mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Right? I have fi, I don't have xi. How do I get xi? So xi is nothing but the class mark. How do we get this? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That is 0 plus 2, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Or directly you can write 5, 7, 9. Okay. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. You are going to get xi. Now, next column. Take one more column and write here fi xi. Multiply these two. 2 ones are 2. 6 threes are 18. 8 fives are 40. 3 sevens are 21. 9 ones are 9. Right? Now in order to substitute in formula, we should get summation fi xi. Summation means sum of. Summation fi xi is equal to, add all this, 2 plus 8, 10, 20, and here 4, 8, 9, 90. And one more column, you just write neatly children. Summation fi I want. Add sum of all the frequencies given. 2 plus 6, 8, 16, 19, 20. Now summation fi xi value is 90. Summation fi value is 20. 0, 0 cancels. 2 4s are 8. Point. 10. 2 5s are 10. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to 4.5. Okay. In this, you have one more or question. Find the mode for the following group data. You can see the table here. We need to calculate mode. In order to find mode, first try to identify model class. Model class in frequency, which is the highest score. Observe here in the given table, 15 is the highest frequency, right? So while writing answer children, please do the table again. And then with a pencil, round up the model class. And you need to write here model class. What is the model class interval here? 12 to 18. Okay. And observing the model class. How do you get model class? In frequency, which is the highest frequency. Observe that frequency and round up. Now, in model class, the frequency is F1. Above the model class, F0. Below the model class, F2. And model class lower limit, L. We need H. H is nothing but the class size. How do we get this? Upper limit minus lower limit. That is H is equal to 18 minus 12, that is equal to 6. Now write the mode formula. L plus F minus F. See children, easily how to remember the formula. F minus F into H. Look here. L plus F minus F into H. Yeah, which class? 10th, right? So split the number 1, 0. Again write that 1, 0. You just remember here 2 and here also 2. F1 minus F0 by 2, F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, now substitute. L value is 12 plus F1 15 minus F0 9 to F1 2 into 15 minus F0 9 minus 12 F2 value into H 6. 15 minus 9 it will be 6 by 15 2s are 30 minus 9 minus 12 it will be minus 21 into 6. 12 plus 30 minus 21 it will be 9. 6 6 are 36 by 9. 9 4s are 36. 12 plus 4 it will be 16. What is your mode answer, children? Mode is equal to 16. And you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. See the answer. If it is there in your model class, is it there? Yes, in between 12 to 18. Therefore, our answer is correct. 29. During the medical checkup of 60 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. Draw less than type ogive for the given data. You can see the data there. See there, less than 45, less than 50, less than 55, less than 60, less than 65, less than 70. This is weight in kg. And their number of students, cumulative frequency directly given 5, 12, 30, 50, 58, 60. So, no need of calculating anything. Rewrite the same table as it is and take a graph sheet. I just do roughly here, right? On x-axis, please write weight in kg. Don't write upper limit, right? And here y-axis, you can write cumulative frequency. Directly start drawing graph. Your graph will be like this. This is less than type ogive. Next, coming to 30th problem. 30th problem, in the figure you can see a figure. Right triangle 16 centimeters A C B. See there, you can see some other figure there, but I am going to draw the figure separately in such a way you will understand very easily. See the other triangle, okay? So lift that small triangle and draw side. So how it will be? Right angle like this, okay? And now this is right angle and this will be D and this is B, right? And DP given 8 centimeters, BP given 6 centimeters. Now let me read the question again. In the figure, ABC is a right angled triangle. DP is perpendicular to AB. If BP is equal to 6 centimeter, DP is equal to 8 centimeter and AC is equal to 16 centimeter, then find the length of AB. So how can I find this? How can I find this? So which chapter it will be? Yes, it is from triangles chapter. See, when you are able to identify these two triangles on the same figure, directly we can solve the problem. Or if you feel difficulty, in a rough column you just split the triangles. And now start comparing, children. First you write consider triangle ACB and triangle DPB, right? In these two triangles I can write angle ABC is equal to angle DBP. Suppose if you are seeing in separate figures, it is not common, but in the original figure angle B is common for the two triangles. So what you are going to write here? Common. And next, one more angle. What is that? Angle ACB is equal to angle DPB is what? Is equal to 90 degrees. This is given. two corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then what I can say? Then the two triangles are similar. Triangle ACB is similar to triangle DPB. By which criteria? Angle similarity criteria. Now again I remember something. If the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding ratios are in proportion. Now observe here carefully. You know this, and this triangle, this side you know, corresponding side you know. And here this hypotenuse you don't know, and this also you don't know. Observe carefully. In this right triangle, you can find the hypotenuse value. Now, in triangle DPB, by applying Pythagoras formula. What is that? DB square is equal to BP square plus DP square. That is, BP value is 6 whole square, DP is 8 whole square. 6 6 are 36, 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 36, it will be 100. DB square 100, DB is equal to 10 centimeters. Right? Now equate the ratios, children, comparing these two triangles. The two triangles are similar, then their ratios are in proportion. Write the ratios. I will write AC by DP is equal to AB by DB. Why? I don't want third side. They have given these. I need to find this one. So substitute. AC value is 16. DP value is 8. AB value we don't know. And DB value is, what is DB value you got? 10. 8 2s are 16. And AB is equal to, send this 10 other side, 10 2s are 20 centimeters. That's it. Very easily you can score 3 marks. And these problems, write little statement wise solve the problems. Okay, I am doing the problems in short. And coming to your next problem, 31. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is a direct theorem from circles. You can complete this theorem, children. Right? 20 centimeters. And this is a theorem. And next, coming to the last problem in this. This is none other than construction. Construct a triangle ABC with AB is equal to 9 centimeters. Let me draw roughly. AB 9 centimeters and AC 6 centimeters. Draw an arc. BC 5 centimeters. Cut the arc. Join. Okay. Now, and then construct another triangle similar to this triangle whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. In what ratio we are going to construct another triangle? In 2:3 ratio. How can we proceed, children? From A, draw a ray which is acute. 2 by 3, 3 is greater. So do 3 arcs, 1, 2, 3 and mark this as A1, A2, A3. From the denominator, join B. Okay. And from the numerator, draw an arc, draw another arc, measure, cut, and this is join. Arc, arc, go back, measure, cut, join. See, what is this shortcuts? Just go to homeschool channel. In that construction chapter, I have explained these constructions very easily where you can draw within a fraction of seconds. Right? So now, this is C dash, this is B dash. Therefore, first write given data. Last you can write, therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AB dash C dash, and these two triangles sides are in the ratio 2:3, and write 4 to 5 construction steps if necessary. Last problem in this main 33. In the figure, you can see the figure over there. OAPB is a quadrant of a circle and OAP is a sector. If angle AOP is equal to 30 degree and the area of the shaded region is, area of the shaded region is given, what is that? Shaded region area is equal to 462 centimeters square. Shaded region area you can write, I am doing in short, right? Find the length of the arc PB. What we need to find? Length of the arc. Length of the arc. Length of the arc PB is equal to question mark. What is given? They have given a quadrant. Quadrant means it is 90 degree. So in that quadrant, some part of the sector is shaded with an angle 30 degree. And this shaded region area given, that is how much? The shaded region area is 462 centimeters square. So in order to find length of PB means only from here to here length you need to calculate. So if you need that, first you should know radius. Okay, by given data, let us write the formula and get the radius. What is area of a sector formula? Area of a sector formula is theta by 360 degree into area pi r square is equal to how much given? 462 centimeter square. And theta value is 30 by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r square. I don't know r square, right? Now 0 cancel, 3 12s and here 2 6 12, 2 11s. So finally transpose other side, 462 into 7 into 6 by 11. This 6 into 7 as it is I have written, and this 11 came to the denominator other side. Now 11 4s are 44, 11 2s are 22. R square is equal to 42 into 42. 7 6 are 42, right? Directly I will write square root of 42 square. Square root cancel. Therefore, what is the radius we got, children? 42 centimeters. See, if you want, you can multiply this. Then for that, directly find square root. Here, anyhow, two same numbers you got. So, this square, apply other side square root and then cancel. Now, I got radius. Don't stop your answer here. What is the question asked for you? Find the length of the arc PB. Length of the arc PB. Length of arc PB is equal to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 degree into length means 2 pi r, you should remember. What is the angle you have? What is the angle, children? This is a quadrant 90 and this is 30. 90 minus 30, it will be 60 degree. Substitute 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into our radius is 42 centimeter. And this one will be 6, 2, 3, 7, 6, 3, 2, 22, 2, it will be 44 centimeters is the length of the arc PB. Very easy question. In areas related to circles, if you are able to understand the problem, you can answer it. So, understand the problem carefully. So, finally, what's your last answer? Length of the arc 44 centimeters. See, children, solve the question paper again. After solving the paper, just have a look of this at a glance. So, you can check your answers whether right or wrong just by seeing this part. The main answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 4 questions. Each carries 4 marks. 4 4s are 16 marks. 34th question. Find the solution of the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. X plus y is equal to 5. 3x minus y is equal to 3. Right? Solve the 2 equations graphically. It is very simple, children. Don't be panic. Mark one of the equation as 1, another as 2. Right? In graph sheet or back side of a graph sheet, consider equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 5. Okay? Always this pair of linear equation graphs you need to rearrange the equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. That is, only y should be in LHS part. Send other side, 5 minus x. Okay. Now draw a table contains 3 rows and 4 columns. X, y, x comma y. And now same manner, consider, do partition and write, consider equation 2, and what is the equation? 3x minus y equal to 3. Rewrite the equation in the form of y. Observe y first. Is it positive or a negative? Positive means don't disturb y. And here you have a negative. So y you disturb, other numbers bring this side. That is 3x plus 3 bring this side, minus 3. Minus y, if you send other side, it will be y. Rewrite this, y is equal to 3x minus 3. Now do another table. Right? 3 rows, 4 columns, x, y, x comma y. Now observe the equations, how it will be. Graphically, will it be intersecting, parallel or coincident? Find the ratio. A1 by A2 is 1 by 3. B1 by B2 is 1 by minus 1. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That means what I can say, graphically these two lines will be intersecting. Intersecting means it will be having one solution, right? So solve the two equations in your rough column. In order to get graph correctly, you have many techniques, children, but I think you can follow this technique. What is that? Solve the two equations separately in your rough column in any of your own method. So let me solve these two equations in rough column by elimination method, children, and find x value. Add the two equations, y minus y cancel. 3x plus x will be 4x. 5 plus 3, 8x is equal to 8 by 4, it will be 2. That's it. Solve the two equations roughly and get only x value. And now that x value put in middle of the table. Right? 2 before any other number, 0. 2 after any other number, 5. And here 2 before any number, 0. After any number, I'll take 4. Any numbers you can take, children. So now, whatever you have taken x, now substitute in this. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 minus x. That is, y is equal to 5 minus 0. Y is equal to how much? 5. Right here, and the coordinate is 0, 5. Same manner, if x is equal to 2, y will be 5 minus 2, that will be 3. 2, 3. Same manner, if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 5, it is 0. Coordinate is 5, 0. Next, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3x minus 3. Now substitute x value 0, 3 into 0 minus 3, that is 0 minus 3, it will be minus 3. 0, minus 3. And if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 3, that is 6 minus 3, it will be 3. Coordinate is 2, 3. And next, if x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3 into 4 minus 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 3, it will be 9. 4, 9. So, calculation part completed, and still you need to write 2 lines here. Here you need to write 2 lines. After solving graphically, you can complete the 2 lines in this sheet. Okay. I will do graph roughly here. Let me take a rough graph sheet here. 0, and this is x, x dash, y, y dash. Okay. Now observe x scale children 0 to 5, 0 to 4. Okay, within the range. That means on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit you can take, and this side negative scale -3, -4, -5. And on y axis observe the scale 5, 3, 0, 9 there. 9 it is possible in a graph sheet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In graph sheet it is possible. 9. If you want you can write other numbers also. This is negative scale -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. And next step what you are going to do? Write scale on right side top corner. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay. Now start plotting these coordinates children. First table 0, 5. Roughly I am plotting 0 on x-axis, y-axis 5. This one, right? And next 2, 3. 2, 3 and 5, 0. Just let me join. You please use a scale neatly to draw these lines. And now next step. Write the coordinate 0, 5 and this is 2, 3 and this is 5, 0. Oh no, what is this line equation? X plus y is equal to 5. Okay. Now coming to your next table. 0, -3 here. 2, 3. 2, 3 same coordinate. 4, 9. So somewhere you are going to get here. Okay. So take a scale and then join same manner. This is what? 0, -3, 2, 3 and this is 4, 9. See where these two lines are intersecting. Okay, still anything pending in this line? You need to write the equation 3x minus y is equal to 3. Okay, now solve graphically said. The two lines are intersecting. Where they are intersecting? At this point, right? So do a perpendicular with a dotted line. Here also perpendicular and right here x value is 2, y value is 3. In graph sheet with that it completes. And this side, now what you are going to write? Write the statement, the two pair of Here you write the statement, the two pair of linear equations are intersecting graphically and has a unique solution. The two lines are intersecting at the coordinate 2, 3 where x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. If all these lines sit there, complete 4 marks children. If anything if you miss, you are going to lose the marks. Okay, is this clear? Do neatly in your graph sheet. 35th problem. A motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than the time taken to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Okay, let us imagine here water upstream. Okay, and let us imagine a motorboat. Just imagine the picture. Distance, they should go upstream and then they should come back downstream. Now upstream, what is the distance here? Upstream or downstream? Distance is 24 kilometers. So now let me write here distance. Distance D is equal to 24 kilometers. You can give capital D also. In still water, what is the speed children? Still water is 18 kilometer per hour. Now I need here upstream and downstream. So upstream speed of the motorboat is equal to, I should know what is the speed of the stream. Let me assume speed of the stream is equal to x. Upstream, okay, what is that? How to write this? 18 minus x. 18 minus x kilometers per hour. Now same thing when it is coming downstream, 18 plus x kilometers per hour. We know the relation time is equal to distance by speed. Now write the relation accordingly as time is equal to distance by speed. We know difference of the time is 1. Distance traveled by the motorboat 24, and here also you take 24. So it is moving in upstream means what is the speed, children? 18 minus x, and here downstream speed 18 plus x. The difference of these two is 1 hour. Now do LCM here. 18 minus x into 18 plus x by 24 into 18 plus x, multiply, because 18 minus x already there here, so multiply this here and this one here, minus 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. Now 24 into 18 multiply, 432 plus 24x minus 432 plus 24x by 18 18s are 324 and plus 18x minus 18x minus x square is equal to 1. Minus 432 plus 432 cancel. 18x minus 18x cancel. And now these two send other side. 24x plus 24x will be 48x is equal to minus x square plus 324. Now bring these two terms this side. Minus x square, if it comes other side, x square, and here plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. Factorization method, find the factors 1 and minus 324. Minus 324, find the factors. I think, just let me go, do LCM. 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24. Just check it over here. 54, yes. 54 and 6 you should get plus 48. That means plus 54 minus 6. X square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 equal to 0. Let me continue here. X take out common, x plus 54, and rest of the two minus 6 common, x plus 54 is equal to 0. X minus 6 into x plus 54 equal to 0. X is equal to, just you equate to 0, children. And now x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 54. The speed cannot be negative. Therefore, what is the speed here? Speed of the stream is 6 kilometers per hour. Therefore, what is your answer, children? Speed of the stream x is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. Right? Is this clear? For this problem, you have our question. Person A is 26 years older than the person B. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. Find the present ages of person A and person B. Okay, first let me start writing. Person A is 26 years older than person B. Age of person B, age of B I am writing. Let the age of B be X, let us take. Right? And now, age of person A is 26 years older than person B. That is X plus 26 years. And you can write here years. And next, the product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now. After 3 years you can say. After 3 years, what is our B age, children? X plus 3. Age, X plus 26 plus 3, that is X plus 29. Now, product of their ages after 3 years means these two product. Write the statement now here and then write this one. X plus 3 into X plus 29 is how much? 360. Find the present age of person A and B. That means you need to find X and X plus 26. If you simplify this, you are going to get X value. Let us start. Multiply this. X square plus 29X plus 3X plus 329 87 is equal to 360. X square plus 29 plus 3, it will be 32x plus 87, bring this side, minus 360 equal to 0. X square plus 32x, 87 minus 360, it will be minus 273 equal to 0. Now do factorization method, find the factors. Minus 273, what are the factors here? I think 39 7s are 273. You should get plus 32. That means plus 39 minus 7. X square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 equal to 0. Take out x common, x plus 39, and in these two take out minus 7 common, x plus 39 equal to 0. X minus 7 into x plus 39 equal to 0. Equate to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0 and x plus 39 equal to 0. That is x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 39. Age cannot be negative. You should write the statement. Age cannot be negative. Therefore, age of the person B. Age of the person B is how much? 7 years. Now what is the age of person A? 7 plus 26, that is 33 years. Right? Therefore, what is your final answer? The age of the two persons are 7 and 33 years. 36th problem. A tower and a building are standing vertically on a level ground. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from a point on the same ground and from the top of the building are found to be 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the distance of the point from the foot of the tower is 30√3 meters and height of the building is 10 meters, then find the distance between the foot of the tower and the building, that means this one, and also the distance between their tops. So what is given here? There is a tower and a building. Which is tower and which is building? This is tower and this is building, right? The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground. Where is the point? Point is at C. From here, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degree and top of a building to the top of a tower elevation is 60 degree given. And now they asked us to find what is the distance between tower and building and what is the distance between their tops. Don't be panic. How to find this? Very easy. Try to observe carefully. If you take this right triangle, tower and building are all perpendicular, right? Suppose if I take this right triangle, do I know other side? I don't know. So can I find other side? Now in this, write all the given data. AB be the tower, DE be the building, building is so and so height. The angle of elevation, angle ADP 60 degree, angle ACB 30 degree. Length of CB is 30√3 meters. In right triangle ABC, right, acute angle is 30 degree. I want opposite side. I know adjacent. So which one you are going to take? Tan ratio. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite AB by adjacent CB. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. AB, I don't know AB. CB is 30 root 3. Now cross multiply. AB is equal to 30 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. What is tower height, children? 30 meters. Look here, from here to here it is 30 meters. AB is 30. I don't want AB now. I'll take this right triangle. I need AP. So what do I do? PB is equal to DE, building height, right? So both are equal to 10 meters. Now I need AP. How do I get AP? In total height of the tower, you subtract building height. That is 30 minus 10 is equal to 20 meters. Right? Now what is this height? 20 meters. Now using this you find the distance. Right? So now you need to find BE and AD, children. If you are able to find only this right triangle, you can get this answer directly. If you find this length or this distance, that is equal to BE. If you find this, that is the distance between the tops. Now, in triangle, right triangle, you can say APD. First, let us find this one. Which ratio? Opposite, adjacent. I go with tan. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 value is root 3. AP 20. PD we don't know, we have to calculate. Now cross multiply. PD is equal to 20 by root 3 meters. Right? You can stop like this or you can multiply root 3 by root 3 and finally 20 root 3 by 3 meters also you can write this. Okay, denominator should not be surd. If you want, both will be same answer. You can end up here or you can end up here. Right? Now, coming to this one. I need opposite, I know. I need hypotenuse. Which ratio? Sine. Sine 60 degree is equal to opposite AP by AD. Sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. AP 20. AD don't know. AD is equal to 40 by root 3 meters. The distance between the top of the building and tower is 40 by root 3 meters. This also same manner. You can multiply numerator and denominator by another root 3. That is 40 root 3 by 3 meters also. You can end up your answer. Either here you can stop or you can stop here. Right? Therefore, what is the distance between the building and tower foot? 20 root 3 by 3 meters and or 20 by root 3 meters you can say. And distance between the top of the towers is 40 by root 3 meters. Coming to your last question in this. Prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This theorem, 37th one, is nothing but a basic proportionality theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem. Very easy theorem, directly you can write off. With this we end up your fifth main and we have in last main, that is sixth main, only one question. Answer the following question. That question carries 5 marks. Let's see the question. 38th one. A solid is in the shape of frustum of a cone of height 12 centimeters. Radii of its circular ends are 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find the total surface area and volume of the solid. What you are going to find here? TSA of frustum of a cone and volume of frustum of a cone. Here in this given data, let's write here height 12 centimeters, R1 10 centimeters. Let us assume R1, R2, 2 radius, no? R2 is equal to 5 centimeters. Now let's write the formula for TSA of frustum of a cone. That is pi L into R1 plus R2 plus pi into R1 square plus R2 square. Okay. Now take out pi common in these two. Again L into R1 plus R2 plus R1 square plus R2 square. And now, do you know L? No, we don't know L. So first what we are going to do, calculate L. How can we calculate? You remember this. That is h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square square root. H 12 12s are 144 plus R1 minus R2 10 minus 5 5 5s are 25 169 square root is 13 centimeters. Okay, what is L value? 13 centimeter. Substitute pi value 22 by 7, 13 into 10 plus 5 plus 10 whole square plus 5 whole square. 22 by 7 into 13 into 15 plus 10 tens are 100, 5 5s are 25. Now 13 15s it will be 195 plus 100 plus 25 125. Add these two. 22 by 7 into 0 to 320. 320 into 22, let us multiply. That will be 640 0 4 10 7040. Let me continue here. 7040 by 7. Divide 1 0 0 35 7 5 is 35 5 left. 0.719, let's stop here, centimeter square. Total surface area, what is the answer? 1005.719 centimeter square. And now in this we have one more sub question. What is that? Volume. What is volume of frustum of a cone? 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Substitute 1 by 3, 22 by 7. What is h? 12, R1 10, R2 5, 10 into 5 here, right? Then 3 4s are 12, 88 by 7 into 100 plus 25 plus 50. Add all these. 88 by 7 into 175. Right? Can you cancel? 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are. Now multiply 88 into 25. 40. That is 0. 2200. That is 2200 centimeter cube is your volume of the frustum of a cone. Right? With this, we are going to complete 1005.799 centimeter square. And what do you have? Another volume 2200 centimeter cube. And here L is equal to 13 centimeters. Right? Did you get all this? You check. With this, I complete paper of your state level preparatory examination. See children, understand the questions carefully. Immediately after seeing question, don't say that the paper is too difficult. First, have a thorough reading of any problem. Understand the problem. Split the lines. Try to understand what given, what I have to do. Think 2 times. Then every problem is easy. In mathematics, every problem has a solution, right? So think slowly. You can rock your exams. As you all know that in homeschool channel, previous year question papers, preparatory papers, annual papers, supplementary, like this, many question papers are available in homeschool. Just check those papers. In homeschool, we have gifted you easy to score 50 marks. Just watch those all videos. Definitely you'll cross more than 50. And toppers, I wish you a good luck. Everybody have a good success and you are going to get out of out. Wish you all a good success in your future, children. Wishing you a very good luck from your homeschool channel by your Radhika ma'am. Thank you all.